Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're looking to level up your Wix website by adding smooth, professional subpages like an About page or a dedicated shop area, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you step by step through how to add subpages to your Wix site. And by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to give your site that organized, polished navigation experience your visitors will love. Let's dive right into the Wix editor. First, look over on the left-hand pane and you'll see a page icon. It usually looks a bit like a piece of paper. Go ahead and click that. This opens up a list of all the current pages on your website. Think of it like your site's table of contents. If you want to add a new subpage, for example, let's say a Shop Now section for your products or an About page, it all starts here. Now take a look for the option that says Add New Page. Give that a click. When you do, Wix gives you two options. You can create either a standard page or a dynamic page. What's the difference? A standard page is static, which means its content stays the same unless you change it, perfect for things like an About or Contact page. A dynamic page, on the other hand, pulls different content from your database, like a product catalog or a blog. For this example, let's stick with a standard page, since we're building an About page anyone can view. Once you select Standard Page, you'll see the option to give your page a name. Type in About. You want something clear and straightforward so it's easy for your visitors to navigate. This step is more important than it sounds. Descriptive page names help your audience find what they're looking for and even play a part in your website's SEO. Next, you have the opportunity to customize how your new About page looks. Click on the Design section button. Here, where Wix really shines, it offers you a variety of professionally styled templates specifically for About pages. Browse through and select a design that matches your site's vibe. Whether you want something minimalist, colorful, or photo-heavy, pick the one that feels right, and Wix will automatically apply that style to your new page. Don't worry if you change your mind later. You can always switch up the design or tweak the details as your brand evolves. Once you're satisfied, let's head back to your homepage. We want to make sure that visitors can easily find your new About page. A practical way to do this is to add a button. This gives your users a clear call to action. Click to add a simple button and let's name it About. Adding navigation like this is really helpful if you want to guide your audience toward learning more about you or your business. After your button's on the page, select it and look for the little chain link icon. This is where you connect your button to your new page. Click the link icon and then choose your About page from the list. This creates a direct link, so when anyone clicks that button, they'll jump right to your About section. Before going live, it's always a good idea to preview your site, so hit the preview button and test out your new link. Click on the About button and make sure it takes you right to your shiny new page. If anything doesn't look quite right, no worries. You can pop back into the editor and make any tweaks you like, and that's all there is to it. With just a few simple steps, you've added a brand new subpage and seamless navigation to your Wix website. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or want to share your own Wix tips, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy website tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy building.